Good morning, Amma. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. The question is given if x, comma y, comma z belongs to R plus fourth root of x by y plus fourth root of y by x whole square plus fourth root of x by z plus fourth root of z by x whole square plus fourth root of y by z plus fourth root of z by y whole square is 2023, and root of 4xy plus root of 4yxz plus root of 4yz is equal to 4 minus x minus y plus z. Then find the value of 1 by root x plus 1 by root y plus 1 by root z value. So those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. So your subscription is very important because it is a new channel. So like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. So like this nearly 300 videos are there, Olympiad problems and logical problems. You can watch the videos. Okay, now pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you do this problem or not? So here first of all I am taking a given root of 4xy. Here some logic is there in this problem. Root of 4xz plus root of 4yz is equal to 4 minus x minus y minus z. So you are sending all the terms to one side. X plus y plus z. This can be written as 2 root xy plus 2 root xz plus 2 root yz is equal to 4. So here this is a formula, a plus b plus c whole square formula. So root x plus root y plus root z whole square, will get this formula is equal to 4. So root x plus root y plus root z, we are getting plus or minus 2. So this is the first equation. You are taking positive value here, plus 2. Now if you take the second one, first fourth root of x by y plus fourth root of y by x whole square. So here this value what will get, fourth root of x by y, fourth root of y by x whole square, fourth root of x by y whole square a square plus fourth root of y by x whole square plus 2 into fourth root of x by y into y by x. So here we will get the value. So this will get root x by y plus root y by x plus this value is 2. X cancel, y cancel. Fourth root of 1 is 1 only. You will get 2. So in the same way, the remaining two parts also will get. So the total equation will get here root x by y plus root y by x plus 2 plus root x by z, root x by z plus root z by x plus 2 from the second one. And the third one root y by z plus root of z by y plus 2. It is given 2023. It is given as 2023. Now here if you write root of x by y, you can write sigma also. Root of y by x plus root of x by z plus root of z by x plus root of y by z plus root of z by y is equal to 2023 minus 6. So 2023 minus 6, here you'll get 2070 now. 2017 you'll get. So here he is asking to find the value of root x plus root y plus root z, 1 by root x plus 1 by root y plus 1 by root z. So here you got root x, root y, root z value. So here this is the twist in this problem. 1 by root x plus 1 by root y plus 1 by root z value you have to find. So this is multiplied with root x plus root y, root x plus root y plus root z. Now we will get the product. First one is root x by root x plus second one root x by root y. Third one root x by root z. If you multiply with y, root y by root x plus root y by root y plus root y by root z. So the second term is multiplied. Now third term root z multiplied means root z by root x plus root z by root y plus root z by root z. So what will get here? This value is 1. 1. Here also will get 1. Here also will get 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 you will write 3. So root of x by y plus root of x by z plus root of y by x plus root of y by z plus root of z by y plus root of, okay, total you'll get 4 terms, 6 terms you'll get x by y, x by z, y by x, y by z, z by y, z by x. Okay, so this is the product you are getting. In this product, you know this value is 2017. Here you got 2017. So this you can write it as 3 plus 2017. So you'll get 2020. So here 1 by root x. So what is this value is 1 by root x plus 1 by root y plus 1 by root z, and this value already you know this we are getting here plus or minus 2, plus or minus 2, that value we are writing here plus or minus 2 is equal to 2020. So 1 by root x plus 1 by root y plus 1 by root z is equal to 2020 by 2 or 2020 by minus 2. So here you'll get 1010 or minus 1010. So I hope you like the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching once again.